Master smart money concepts for Forex, crypto, and indices. Trade with precision. Subscribe now and elevate your edge.
How to combine multiple TradingView indicators into one free method using AI. Hello friends. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic. So please watch the entire video till the end. First, let's talk about TradingView. On TradingView, we can't use multiple indicators at once. So in this video, we're going to discuss how you can use multiple indicators on TradingView completely for free. This video is made especially for beginners. Beginners will be able to understand this very easily. I'll explain everything step by step with full detail. I'll show you exactly where to go, how to copy the code, where to paste it, where to implement it, and how many indicators you can implement, all in complete detail. So please watch the full video carefully, and I'll show you how to combine multiple indicators into one using AI. The AI will do the entire job of merging multiple indicators into a single one and provide it to us. So we're going to discuss this in detail throughout the video. For example, here's a chart I've added two indicators on it. Here, I've added Bollinger Bands, as you can see, on the basic plan. This option only allows two indicators. That means you can only add two indicators at a time. If you want the maximum number of indicators, you'd need to upgrade to a premium plan or purchase a package. So in this video, we'll discuss how to implement multiple indicators within a single indicator slot. Let's get started. First, you'll need TradingView open, and you'll need a notepad file. In Notepad, you need to write this prompt. Kindly combine into one file the below provided indicators with a comfortable version compatible with TradingView. We want the AI to merge these indicators into one compatible with TradingView's Pine script version. This is the exact prompt we'll give to the AI. Below this line, we'll paste the code of indicator 1, then indicator 2, then indicator 3, and indicator 4 for this demonstration. We'll skip the fourth indicator and combine only 3. Just to understand the basics, let's start with the EMA exponential moving average. Here's the EMA code. You'll find the EMA code right here. Let's copy this code and paste it as indicator 1. My goal in making this video is for you to understand this clearly so that you too can easily combine large indicators, no matter how complex, into a single one. You should be able to merge multiple indicators into just one. That's the whole purpose of this tutorial. So we've pasted the first indicator. Now let's take the second one, Bollinger Bands. Let's go back, delete the previous indicator, and add Bollinger Bands instead. You'll see the Bollinger Bands code here. Go to the code section. You'll find the source code there. Just copy it. Then go back to Notepad and paste this as the second indicator. Now we still need the third one, because TradingView easily gives access to only two indicators by default, not the third. So we'll follow the same process to copy the code for the third indicator as well. For the third one, let's add VWAP. Alright, let's add VWAP. So now we have our third indicator ready. VWAP is now applied. From here, the process is exactly the same. We just need to copy it. Here you'll see the VWAP indicator, volume weighted average price. Just copy the entire code. To select it, click on the code area, then press Ctrl+A to select everything. Your entire code will be selected. Then press Ctrl+C to copy it, or right-click and choose Copy. After copying, go to the third indicator section in Notepad and paste it there. Now all three indicator codes have been pasted. Now let's copy everything we've written, including the prompt we created earlier. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then Ctrl+C to copy, or right-click and select Copy. After copying, you need to go to your AI tool. I'm using Claude AI here, but you can use any AI tool of your choice. This is basically my free plan. Now let's just paste it here. After pasting, we'll just hit enter. Once you press enter, the AI will first analyze the entire code, and then provide us with a single combined Pine script indicator. So first, let's go to TradingView, click on the arrow button, then select Create New Indicator. This will open a new indicator editor window. Here, we can save whatever code we get from the AI. We'll also give it a name later. For now, Let's go back and check how long it takes for the AI to provide the combined code. Let's wait. All right, friends, look. The AI has now provided us with the combined code. So what do we need to do next? We need to download this code. Or, depending on the AI tool you're using, you might see the code displayed directly, in which case you can just copy and paste it. Here, it's giving us a download option. It has successfully combined the EMA, Bollinger Bands, and VWAP indicators into one and provided us with the code. The code has been downloaded. Let's open it from the Downloads folder. As you can see, this is version 6, our preferred comfortable version. Remember? That's exactly what we requested in our prompt. A comfortable version of the combined indicators. Version 6 is the best and most compatible version that was generated. It has successfully combined all 3 indicators. Now let's select all this code using Ctrl+ and copy it. After copying, let's go back to TradingView, where we previously opened a new, untitled PineScript file. Let's delete the old version that's currently there. After deleting it, let's paste the new code we just copied. I'll allow the necessary permissions. As you can see, the entire code has now been pasted successfully. Now we have one important and final step left, saving the script. When I try to save it, a save dialog will appear. You'll see a default name suggested here. You can change it if you'd like, but I'll keep the default name for now. Let's save it. After saving, you can see that I'm getting several errors here. So we simply need to copy this error message. Click on Copy Message to copy the error. After copying it, go back to Claude AI. You'll see an option labeled Write Message. Click on that. Simply paste the error message there and press Enter. Once you press Enter, it will reanalyze your code based on the error provided. After analyzing the issue, it will give you a fresh, corrected version of the code. Once you get the corrected code, copy it again. So, Claude AI has now given us the fixed code. Let's download this updated version as well. If you're using a different AI tool, you might see the code directly on screen, in which case you can simply copy-paste it without downloading. But here, since we need to download it, let's go ahead and copy it. The fresh, corrected code has now arrived. Let's copy it again using Ctrl+, then Ctrl+C, or right-click and copy. After copying, let's go back to TradingView. Select the existing script using Ctrl+. Delete the entire previous code completely so the editor is fresh and empty. Now let's paste the new corrected code we just copied. Next to the indicator's name field, you'll see a small arrow icon. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Save Script. Click on that. As soon as you do this, you'll see a message at the bottom confirming that the code you provided has compiled successfully. This means it's saved correctly, with no errors remaining. Now, you'll notice a button at the bottom that says Add to Chart. Click on that. Once you click Add to Chart, your indicator will be applied directly onto the chart. After it's added, let's check whether all the indicators have appeared correctly. As you can see here, the first thing visible on the chart is the Bollinger Bands. You can also see the VWAP line displayed. This is the VWAP line. Besides that, you'll also see the EMA line right here. So now we have all 3, EMA, VWAP, and Bollinger Bands, successfully combined and displayed together. This is exactly the process you should follow to combine your own set of indicators. Copy the code, paste it into your AI tool of choice, and simply add a comment requesting it to combine all the indicators into a single one. The AI will merge all the indicators into one combined script. After that, take the fresh code it generates, go to TradingView's Pine editor, add it there, and save it. Once saved, where will you find this indicator later? Go to the Indicators option and look for the My Scripts tab. Click on Indicators first. Then go to My Scripts, and you'll find the indicator saved under whatever name you gave it. For example, EMA Bollinger Band VWAP. Click on it from there, and it will be applied to your chart instantly. So that covers the complete process. How did you find this video? Please like, share, and comment below. Do share this with your friends. This method is especially great for beginners. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.